Hi everyone, welcome to week 5 video 3. This is our final video for week 5 and we will finish up with our understanding of the role of politics in a business environment. So far this week we've spoken about the role of the government in the business environment as a regulator, protector, and today in the third video we're going to be looking at the role of the government in the business environment working as a provider. Now, what are those different services that the government offer to business environment? They offer public services, helping hand with establishment of the businesses and the advice given to the same. They offer work, so they offer employment to business environment. They also provide a form of subsidies, helping hand incentives to help businesses set up their operations and get onto the solid ground. And of course, they're working as a form of investors, giving an opportunity to government to step up, ensure the businesses succeed in a long and short run. As we mentioned public services, government provides an employment-related support to the member of the society. In other words, in the long and short run, government employs the people to work for them, providing the businesses, startup businesses with advice of technicalities and things that need to be taken into consideration establishing those small businesses. When we're mentioning businesses, on the other hand, government also provide administrative support. Basically a form of support, filling up the papers, applications, getting the permits, all the licenses needed for the business to be established within the market itself. Now, government also provide the subsidies to the businesses. Now, those subsidies, not everyone actually receives them. The government will assess each and every application based on its merits, benefits that they provide to the government itself, as well as the local community, and through the assessment of those will decide who would be the businesses given that subsidy to help them establish their operation. Of course, that will heavily depend on the size of the business in order to obtain that subsidy. Now, tax incentives are also given to businesses when they come either domestically or from the international conglomerate players. Now, we've seen, for example, when IKEA came to Australia, they were given a massive tax incentives in order to open up a number of stores, which of course the government received a massive payments in form of the employment taxes and of course minimal tax that were given to those big companies. Now, what we do have to understand that these are fundamentally different in its nature, where subsidies are commonly given at the beginning or application part of the establishment of the new business. On the other hand, tax incentives are given at the end of the financial year. So the government will actually play around the tax incentives often to the businesses, and of course give them preferential status in a level of taxes that they need to pay to the government. Either one of those works as a positive aspect for the business, and itself help the business establish their operations in a domestic market. With that, guys, we'll leave you for the week 5. Next week we're moving to a completely different topic. Stay safe, take care.